Mother Africa, come and heal our land.
When I was a little child, my mama taught me things of life. You have to struggle to survive, cause no one will hear you cry. Now the kind of life we live in, yeah, so we call it Afro life. There's no other choice of living if you want to survive. Many people in a room living without no food. We are suffering and smiling while we're starving and dying. Africa, we live in a hard life. Africa, we struggle to survive. Africa, this is true African life. Africa, this is Afro life.
We are living the hard life, the hard life. Here in Africa, we are living the hard life, the hard life. Here in Africa, we are living the worst life, the worst life. Here in Africa, we are living the hard life, the hard life. Here in Africa,
there is a ship in the land, so we need a happy hand. Africa's a motherland, but we fail to understand why we richly blessed in Africa.